A lot of you asked me about my knife. I bought it a few years ago and I spent £150 on it. It does an excellent job. Is it worth £150? I think so. Will I buy a knife like this again? Absolutely not. It is a good knife. The problem is it cost me £150. Knife is designed to do the heavy-duty task in the kitchen. Not only cut vegetables, but cutting bones, bashing garlic, like I do a lot. Every time I do it with this knife, it hurts me a little bit. You know, when you buy expensive jacket, you ended up protecting the jacket more than your own skin. That's how I felt when I used this knife. I had to buy another knife to do the dirty work. And this one cost me only £12. And soon I realized I only needed a knife like this. I can go crazy with this knife without the little voice in the back of my head screaming £150. And the best part is, if you do not want to spend too much time sharpening your knife, like me, you can just replace it after 2 or 3 years with a brand new sharp knife. So my advice is to not spend too much money on a home kitchen knife. I think the sweet spot is between 15 to £30. That will give you a very decent knife, totally enough for daily tasks. Now let me introduce you this amazing brand that produces the best